In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST in WooCommerce. Whether you're a seasoned WooCommerce user or you're diving in for the first time, setting up taxes can seem a tad daunting. But don't worry, we'll walk through these steps together to make sure your store is prepared for accurate tax calculations. First, we'll begin by enabling the tax settings in your WooCommerce configuration. Navigate to the WooCommerce tab, click on Settings, and then head over to the General section. Here, you'll want to look for the option that says Enable Taxes and Tax Calculations. Make sure you check that box. By enabling this, you're allowing the store to compute taxes on your sales automatically. Once you've done that, hit Save Changes. This simple action sets the groundwork for tax calculations across your site. With taxes enabled, you need to tailor how they'll be applied and displayed. So, let's move on to the next set of configurations. Again, we'll start from the WooCommerce tab, then Settings, and this time, click on the Tax section. This is where we specify how prices, taxes, and figures interact in your store. You'll notice several options here. Start by deciding whether your product prices will be entered with taxes included. You can select either yes or no based on your pricing strategy. Next, choose how the tax is calculated. It's standard practice to base calculations on the customer's shipping address for greater accuracy. For the shipping tax class, select the option that aligns with your cart items to ensure consistency in how taxes are applied across all products. When it comes to displaying prices in your shop and at checkout, selecting the option to include tax helps to give your customers a clear idea of the total cost up front, making the purchasing experience as transparent as possible. Once these settings are configured to your liking, you're ready to move on. Now, it's important to add your GST rate. Head back to the WooCommerce tab, go to Settings, then Tax, and finally, select Standard Rates. Here, you'll be adding details specific to GST. Click on Insert Row to start inputting the new tax rate. You'll need to enter the respective country code, such as IN for India, and if relevant, a state code like KA for Karnataka. If the GST rate applies to all states, you can leave this field blank. Next, input the rate, for example, 18,000 for an 18% GST rate. In the tax name field, simply type GST, ensuring that it's easily identifiable. Set the priority to 1, and if GST applies to shipping charges, make sure to check the box indicating so. Once all these fields are filled out, don't forget to click on Save Changes to secure your details. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide to incorporating GST into your WooCommerce setup. With these settings in place, your store is prepared to handle sales with the correct GST applied, ensuring compliance and transparency. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!